Why is your team getting bigger, but releases still feel slow? Most SaaS companies assume that faster growth comes from hiring more developers, more engineers, more output, more velocity. And in the beginning, it feels like the right move. Features move faster, the roadmap expands, and the product evolves quickly. But then something else starts happening. The code gets completed, but releases still take time. Teams begin coordinating across environments, configurations, approvals, and dependencies before anything can go live. As more developers join, the system becomes more complex. As more services are added, more environments need alignment, and more release coordination begins behind the scenes. The team grows. But execution slows down, not because people are not working hard, because the process now depends on too many moving parts. This is where many growing SaaS businesses misread the problem. The bottleneck is no longer development speed, it is release execution. When deployments rely on repeated setup, manual coordination, and environment-level adjustments, every release carries operational overhead that scales with the team. And over time, that overhead starts affecting the business itself. Launch timelines shift, feedback cycles slow down, planning becomes harder to trust. The companies that move faster are not always the ones with larger teams. They are the ones operating on systems designed for consistent execution. Cloud Launchpad helps create that system by bringing structure into deployments, environments, and infrastructure workflows. So releases move forward through a defined and repeatable process, instead of manual coordination every time. If your team is growing but execution still feels slower than expected, it may be time to look beyond hiring and focus on the system supporting your releases. Cloud Launchpad is designed to help teams scale execution with the same confidence they scale development. Growing a SaaS business is not only about increasing output. It is about building a system that keeps execution moving as the company grows.